What are we making, Tyler?
We have to save some.
Okay, you want to save some?
I have to pour a little bit back in here.
Oh no, it's gonna mix with the. If you do that, then this part of it is gonna get mixed with the blue. It's fine. I have more. I have more blue. Okay, so this is what we're making: a light up terrarium for kids. Growing what? What did the bottom say? So we have
Hey, no, mommy.
What?
I don't want you to do it. Look. I do it by myself.
I know.
And what we do with the spray?
Oh, okay. Okay, build the terrarium first. All right. So
No, mommy, I'm doing it by myself.
I got it. So this is what it will look like. And this is a growing guide for the terrarium. We have our seeds. We have a little charger. We have a little rabbit. Stickers. Cute little mushroom. And that. So he's gonna put the rocks in now. And there are a few things that we're building the bottom of it. So he's doing this on his own. And these are the things we got.
I'm gonna put all of it in there. All the rocks.
Do you want to put all the rocks?
No, I'm gonna put some in there.
Okay, so put just use some. So this is what we've got. We have a cute little mushroom house. A water bottle. A little rabbit. We have our seeds. And a bunch of stickers to go with it. So he's building that now. So what you're building? What are you building? So this is what the kit is. Jar, light up jar lid, USB port, or soil, or sand, or white rocks, wheat germ and sage seeds, small bamboo stick, spray bottle, removable stickers, the little miniature bunny, and the miniature mushroom house. And of course it gives the instructions on how to make your terrarium really glow. And it tells you how to do that. Step by step from step 1 to step 11. Oh, it has 16 steps. Very detailed on how you can grow your terrarium. Your terrarium is all done. Place it in a sunny spot. So when you're finished, you're going to place your terrarium in a sunny spot, and don't forget to water it with your water bottle or your spray bottle every day. Your plant needs a healthy amount of light and water, Tyler. Don't forget to recharge your lid before nighttime. Once the light is charged, you'll be ready to turn it on. Wait until sunset for a truly magical glow. This is going to be great, Tyler. So he's still adding his rocks. After we've added the rocks, where's your instructions? Oh, what's this called? What is this? It gives you your instructions. Can you say instructions? No? Okay, so anyway, he's now putting rocks in, and then he's gonna put another layer of soil. Then we're gonna put our stickers in, and then so he's looking at the picture on the front as his guide, all by himself. Okay, so we need some more rocks. This is an awesome gift for kids to learn to grow things, to see how things grow, how plants grow. And it gives them an opportunity to care for it each day. So his job is to make sure the lid is charged. And every day he'll come and he'll spray his terrarium to make sure the plants remain alive. Right, Tyler?
Are we going to spray water in there?
Yes, you're going to spray water in it because the seeds need to germinate and they need water to be able to germinate or grow. Okay? So, alright, so now you're going to need, what do you need next? What's next?
That's it.
Look at the picture.
More.
Oh, more soil. He's carefully pouring his soil.
I need some more.
Yeah, so you're gonna cover the white section, the rocks. Okay.
We'll save some of these.
Okay, want to save some? Cool. All right. So the next step now. Look at your picture. What does the picture say? What do you do next?
Well,
Where's your instructions?
water.
Okay, so he's gonna collect some water and spray the terrarium, the soil before he puts the seeds in. Very smart. All right, so now he's spraying the soil, and he did this all by himself. He didn't want any help. Okay, so generously spray the soil. After we have done that, we're going to use a small hand towel and wipe the, not too much.
Oh no!
It's okay. It's moist. Moist to the touch, right? Okay, that's
Why is it
enough.
moist?
Why do you think it's moist? Why is it moist?
No.
Why is it wet? You wanna tell me why it's wet? It's wet because,
I'm spraying.
but not my phone. So this is what the lid looks like. It has a power button. Press the silicone button to turn on or off. And it has the moon and the stars. This should look really, really nice during the nighttime. So we're waiting for him to get the hand towel, and he's going to dry the inside. Then we're going to put our miniature figurines on the inside of the terrarium. So he's now drying the inside. Make sure there's no sand on the sides of the container and no water, okay? When you're finished, you're going to dry the outside as well. Alright, good. Now close your container. Close, close your spray bottle. Where are your miniature animals? Here. No, not that. You need to put these in now.
Wow.
So the next step is to put the miniature figurines inside.
And then we can put this in it.
And yes, you put that after.
And then we're gonna open this and put it inside this.
Yes. So you're gonna take the figurines and put them to the corners, so that when the plants grow, you're still able to see your figurines. Open the top. All right, let's put these in first because we don't want them. They're seeds. So we put our miniature figurine here. Where's the little, put the rabbits in. Where do you want the rabbit to go, Tyler? Where do you want the rabbit to go? Put the rabbit in. To the corners. To the corners.
No, I want it right there.
But when your plant grows, guess what? You won't be able to see your rabbit.
Right there?
Okay, so we're gonna turn outside this way so that you can see the face. All right, so this is the miniature rabbit. Now, you're going to put the seed in. Just pour it in. So those are our seeds. What type of seeds were they? The seeds are, what are the seeds again? Let's see. I don't remember what I said. This, you can use this to push the seeds down instead of using your finger. All right?
There.
The seeds are wheat germ and sage. Good, so you push it in the soil. Very good, Tyler. Now he's putting the stickers on the terrarium. So we've set up our miniature animals. There. And now he's putting the stickers on.
Oh,
Done? Okay. So now the lid closes.
and but what?
Are we?
But why is there a little holes there? Do we do it like
So
this?
no, you're gonna let it stand upright. So the light is gonna shine through the stars and the moon. Right? When we charge it, here's the port. Can you turn the terrarium around?
So where do we charge it?
We're gonna plug it in here. Do you see that? We're gonna plug it in. All right. So don't pull it all the way. Oh, okay, well, here you go. This is your charger. So we're gonna bring it inside and we're gonna charge it when we're done.
Oh, I can't.
Unwind it. You can.
No, I can't.
Can I show you?
I don't know. I don't know how to. I don't want to show me.
All right, here, look. Unwind like that. Get the charger and plug it in.
Like that?
The other part, the small part. And then we're gonna go inside and plug it into the other section of the charger. And tonight we will film what it looks like. Okay? What's the name of your channel, Tyler? Come back to what? Okay, he's not speaking right now. So come back to Ty's Learning Lab for more kids activities. Bye. Be safe, guys. Be kind to each other. Bye.
Look!
So this is the terrarium at night. It's very beautiful. It has the moon and the star shapes on the top, and then here's the bottom. Oh, look at the cute little bunny. So this is what it looks like at night. Beautiful.
Yellow. Stamp it. Very hard.
So this is what the terrarium now looks like. We have the little shoots coming up out of the soil. Here, little bunny. Very nice. Let me put it in the shade. Probably better to see it like that. And that's it.